Hi! We will show you how to upload a large graphic file and place an order at CottonBee. Start by uploading a placeholder file named donotprintfile.jpg. You can download it from the link in the video description or receive it via email from our customer service team. This file is used in place of large files that can't be uploaded directly into the system. Next, skip adjusting the file size and go straight to the pattern repeat settings. Choose the type of repeat you want for your final print. The next step is selecting the fabric. We offer a wide range of woven and knit fabrics. Pick the one that best fits your project. Then, choose the size and quantity. You can order a sample, a swatch, or fabric by the meter. Select the option that works best for you. Add the order to your cart. In the order comments, paste the link to your external file, e.g., WeTransfer or Google Drive. Make sure your file has the exact dimensions you want it printed at, and that the file size does not exceed 1.5 gigabytes. And finally, payment. You can pay for your order right away or save it for later. If you choose to save it, get in touch with our customer service team to complete the order. And that's it. Your file is now on its way to print. Good luck!